We're gonna make creamy cornbread and sausage stuffing. We're gonna put 1 pound of breakfast sausage as well as some cornbread. I baked up 1 package of Jiffy cornbread mix, which is about 4 cups of cornbread. If you're making it homemade, make sure we get all the sausage out of there. Once you have that in there, we're gonna start adding our liquid and creamy mixture. So we're gonna throw in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. You want some, baby girl? And then we're also going to throw in 1 cup of chicken broth as well. Before you continue, go ahead and get that stirred around a little bit, just for a few seconds. And then we're going to also add in 1/2 cup of sour cream, which is half of this container here, about that much, as well as a stick of melted butter. Now we'll get to some fun stuff. We're gonna throw in some chopped onion, carrot, and celery. Mirepoix, as they call it. Get that mixed up together. About halfway, once you have it about halfway stirred, we're gonna throw some poultry seasoning in there, as well as some black pepper. Get that stirred. And finally, we're gonna fold in a cup of cheddar cheese that I shredded myself. Get that cheddar cheese nice and folded in with the rest of the cornbread stuffing mixture. All right, once you have the cheese nice and folded in, we're gonna grab our lid and we're gonna put it on high for 2 to 3 hours. All right, so after about 2-3 hours, should look something like this. Look at that. What you think? Should I just dig in?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good, huh? Oh, baby. Look at that. Yum. Wow. All right. I know the truth, people. Y'all, if you're looking for a Thanksgiving stuffing recipe, try this. I promise you won't be disappointed. Family won't be disappointed. Try this at home. It's so good. I'm serious.